Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the mouse stuttering and skipping from the new Marvel Rivals season. It's pretty easy to fix, so try not to skip any steps. Okay, there are one thing that you should fix and you need to make sure that you fixed it. So you need to go into the gaming software. If you don't have gaming software for your mouse, you need to download some. Most major gaming software makers, even the cheap ones, have some sort of software. For Logitech, for example, you need to go into pointer settings and you need to switch the report rate. By default, it's going to be 1000. You want to lower this to 500. So what is polling rate? Basically, it's how many reports a second that your mouse updates. And if it's too high, for whatever reason, this messes with Marvel Rivals and this makes it skip for the newest season. This game has tons of mouse issues, I don't know why. If you're using Corsair, it's a very similar process. You'd open IEQ. If you don't have the IEQ software, download it. Click on the mouse, click on the cogwheel thing, and there will be USB wired polling rate. And you need to switch it from 1000 to 500 and save it and start Marvel Rivals, and it will be fixed. Congratulations.